guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do my facial hair removal. My birthday is this week and I've been letting my eyebrows and stuff grow out. You see my eyebrows look crazy. My mustache is actually pretty thick too, but I don't think you guys can tell. And then I have a lot of sideburn. Then I have like hair on my cheeks that you really can't see. And because it's my birthday week, I want my face to be super smooth. I want to look really nice. My eyebrows, I let my eyebrows grow out for a month because I actually botched them. I usually tweeze my eyebrows, but I learned how to wax eyebrows at school because I went to school to be an esthetician, and I waxed my own eyebrows one day. They came out perfect, so I got cocky, tried to wax them again for the second time, and made my arch like way too high. And everybody who's seen my eyebrows that I know in person was like, your eyebrows look really good, but I don't like my arch to be high. That's just not how I like my brows. I like to keep my brows the general shape that they are and just clean up the excess hair. I don't like to make my eyebrows like high arched or nothing. And because I have thick brows, I can pretty much make my eyebrow shape however I want it to. So to everybody else, it was like, oh, your eyebrows look really, really nice. They look different because the arch was very high. So I looked very like, you know, sexy brow, if you will, but I hated it. So I had to let my eyebrows grow back for a whole entire month, and they're fully grown back in. I'm not gonna wax them because that freaked me the hell out, and I think I'm never gonna wax my eyebrows again. Let me fix that. I'm not ever going to wax underneath my brow again. I think I am gonna wax the top, but the underneath part is the dangerous part where things can go wrong, so I don't wanna touch that part with wax. I'm gonna wax the rest of my face. But in this video, I'm basically just gonna be showing you guys how I remove my facial hair. So yeah, I'm gonna be tweezing and waxing my brows. I'm gonna be waxing my face, and I'm going to be nairing my top lip. So I use a lot of different methods of removing my hair, but I use what works for me in different areas on my face. So I'm gonna start off by tweezing my brows, because for me, I always have to start with my brows because my brows are, like people say, they're the foundation of your face. So I like to start off with my brows, and from there, I just feel more confident to get into everything else. So this is my tweezing kit. I have a very nice tweezing kit. I got this from school. Like I said, I went to school to be an esthetician, in case you skipped. But I went to school to be an esthetician, so we specialize in facials and skincare therapists, and waxing and hair removal, things like that on the body. So we got this tweezing kit to, you know, hair removal. It comes with these very nice tweezers, the pokey ones. These are the regular tweezers, and then these like pokey ones as well. The way my lighting is changing is the kind of stuff that makes me not even want to record videos. So sorry if my light is fluctuating throughout the video. I have windows all right here around my room, so my lighting keeps on changing. Sorry, I can't control nature. It pisses me off. So I'm just gonna start by tweezing my underneath of both brows, and then I'm gonna wax my center and wax the top. My eyebrows are not gonna look that great until I do the top, but if you look at this brow, and then look at this brow, you can see how clean underneath there is. You can see it. All that, and then nothing. But it never looks amazing until I like get rid of all the top stuff. And my eyebrows and my hairline connect, so we gotta get rid of that. Can't wait. Okay, so off camera, I went and finished the other brow because it can be very repetitive. The second brow wasn't as painful. Like, this brow was a lot, and this brow really didn't feel like much at all. So that's good. So now I'm gonna go in and clean up the top, which is just, I'm literally just gonna line the top of my eyebrows with wax and then rip it across straight. I don't know why I can't talk. I'm gonna line the top of my eyebrows with wax and then just rip it straight across. I'm gonna do a line here to get rid of all of that hair, and then one here. And then I'm gonna do my unibrow, and I might also do one here, but I'm not gonna go near my arch because I'm terrified. This is an area where you want it to be pretty clean. I did get all the hairs from that area, but I think it would be nice to have that exfoliation. You know how when you get your eyebrows waxed, it has that like outline of the skin being removed? I think it would be very pretty to have that right there to make my eyebrows look super fresh. Brows are sisters, not twins, so they're never gonna be 100% perfect, but this is how I remove my brow hair. So now I'm gonna go into removing my facial hair. I know you guys can't see it much, but I'm just showing you how I remove my facial hair. I like to wax my face, so we're gonna get into that now. I like to start with my sideburns. And my sideburns, the way I work with those is if the hair is very short and not attached to this area, like I'm holding up my long hair, And you can see I have all that hair there. I'm gonna wax all that off. And from there, that's like my baseline. I'm just gonna brush all this little hair down that is not a part of like where my lock was attached to. Get all that out and I'm gonna wax all that hair off. Ow, that hurts so bad. Look at all that hair. It's all my sideburns on that side. That hurts so bad. I know to some people that might seem like really crazy, but for me being a makeup lover, I just like my face to be smooth because whenever I do my contour, it be hair in it and it's not cute. My face look hella good. Look at it. So I just got done removing my facial hair. Y'all see how much of my sideburns are gone? When I used to swoop my sideburn baby hair, it used to swoop all the way to underneath my ear, and look how much of that is gone now. I removed so much sideburn hair. I'm so excited. At first I was kind of self-conscious because I haven't done it in a while. And I was like, oh my God, I'm bald on the sides. But my lock is still there. It's just no baby hair. So now when I do my baby hairs, it'll only be to about right here. And it'll be a little bit of sideburn hair because some of my baby hairs are still in my lock. But I feel like if it's any hair that's not in my lock needs to go because it just doesn't need to be there. Looking at my face, without my sideburns, my face just looks so much cleaner. Like, and I just wax my cheeks. I only wax my cheeks about here, and that's it because I have craters on my skin from my acne, which you guys really can't see, but I don't like to mess with this area of my face. So I just do basically this area. So now the last thing I have to do, I usually get a couple of hairs on my chin here. These are not hairs. These are, I get, this is my problem area for my acne, and I have been hormonal, so that's what that is. But I usually get like 3 hairs on my chin. That's it for years, just 3 hairs. And I tweezed those a few days ago, but I usually get 3 very dark hairs. Like it'd be a long, dark, thick hair, 1, 2, and like 3. And I already got rid of those a few days ago. So, but I do want to be honest with y'all. I do get chin hair, but they're always straight, never curly. Like just a straight hair. It'd be like the size of, I don't even know. It'd be like the size of an eyebrow hair, and I'll just pull it out. But it's always a super thick, dark hair. There's 3, 1, 2, and 3, but those are gone. So I wanted to be honest with y'all. I do get chin hair too. It is what it is. But now the last thing I have to do is my mustache, and I would love to wax my mustache, but I'm just not good at it like I told you guys earlier. So I'm gonna nair my mustache. So that is the last thing I do to do my facial hair removal. And my eyelashes are shedding, so this is a full facial hair removal. So to be 100% honest, just want to let y'all know, because I know a lot of people when they use Nair, they use the facial Nair. I do not. I use the regular Nair that goes on your body. I've never bought the Nair facial hair. I just use this. I leave it on for 3 minutes and it always works. I'm not recommending you do this. It might break you out. I've been doing this for years. I even used to use regular Nair on my eyebrows. But yeah, I just want to be honest with y'all. I'm using regular Nair, always have. So to apply it, I use a very large Q-tip, and that's just because I'm an esthetician. So I have esthetician supplies, and these are usually used for like chemical peels. But I like to use it when I put my Nair on because it helps easily, and I don't want to burn my finger either. Okay, so 3 minutes has passed. I want to hurry up and tell you guys what I do. I usually just take some wet cotton rounds. I got a bunch of them here to remove this stuff. My camera's about to die too, so I'm trying to go fast with that. I usually just take the wet cotton rounds and wipe it away. I don't like to use a washcloth. I used to. I just wipe it away with something that is disposable because I don't want to like mix it with stuff and then I wind up using the towel, doesn't wash out right, and I go bald. So that scares me. So when I remove Nair, I always use something that is disposable to remove it. You can see that darkness, this is all my hair. And that's from the other side. So I had a lot of mustache hair, like a lot. And this is what my face looks like. My eyebrows are done. My facial is waxed. I'm pretty sure I have hair on my eyebrows. All that hair is gone and my skin looks really good. Even my sideburns, like now when I do my contour, it's gonna be so clean and smooth and nice because a lot of times I do my contour and it's like hair all in my contour, like not like a man, but it's like if you got close to me, you can see the hair in my contour because y'all saw how much I just waxed off my sideburns. And contour goes from here to here. So with my sideburns coming down to here, it's always hair in my sideburn. Then if I wanna do cream contour, it's a problem. So with it being my birthday week, I just want my skin to look really good when I do my makeup. And on top of that, it exfoliated my skin as well because waxing always rips off a few layers of skin, which sounds terrible, but it's true. That's why we get that like light cast above our eyebrows when we get waxed. But this is how I remove my facial hair, guys. And as a girl, it just really works. It just makes me look so good. Like I look so fresh. I could just go out. I mean, I do all the time, but my skin looks so much better than it did before I waxed it. Like now my face looks super fresh, super bright, super pretty, super healthy, and I removed that top layer of skin through waxing, so I look good. I feel like I have so much more face. Like I have so much more face. Like you can really see my definition in my jawline a lot better. My cheekbones are showing more, like I don't know. And I didn't even notice that before when I used to wax my face, it did all this. But my skin looks so fresh. Like my face just looks very feminine and nice. I love it. So this is how I remove my facial hair, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It wasn't very informational because I know if you watch my skincare routines, y'all know I be very informational about the things I tell you guys, but this is just how I remove my skin. I mean, this is just how I remove my hair off my face. It's not really much. It's just waxing and tweezing and Nair. So those are all things everybody knows how to do. I don't think everybody knows how to wax, but if you don't know how to wax, I doubt you're gonna go wax your face. But that's how I remove my facial hair, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video, and I'm about to do my hair. Again, thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.